Hi guys, welcome back to Decorating Happily Ever After. I'm Jeffrey Kevin. Today I have a fun little Christmas table set here in my breakfast room. I call it my Snowman and Peppermint Tablescape. So let's look around the table. For this tablescape, I'm using my green and red plaid placemats. And I have these chargers. They're red with star shapes cut out. I'm going to be using my peppermint plates again today. I got these at Hobby Lobby. And for the salad plates, I have these cute little cookie for Santa with the green background and the snowman with the little red bird and snowflakes. And I suppose these are to put Santa's cookies on, but I bought a set to use instead. For the glasses, I have my cute little peppermint little glasses. And I have these red mugs. They're probably, they're vintage. They're probably from the 1960s. And we need a candy cane or two. And for extra cuteness, I'm going to be using my red and white polka dot flatware today. And I have the matching plaid napkins that I've used a little Christmas tree napkin ring with. The centerpiece today is one of my floral designs from my store, Rose Tree Interiors. And he's a cute little snowman right in the center with his hat and earmuffs and holding a candy cane. And he's surrounded by pine and flocked evergreen. And there are some iced berries and some little iced evergreen stems. And the ribbon has snowflakes on it. And I've just set the centerpiece on a cake stand, a red cake stand, to give it a little bit of height. Here at the front of the table I have this cute little snowman. He's one of my new ones. It's a bowl, saucer, and cup all in one. Mother found that for me. And I've set him on a little cupcake stand that's red and green with a candy stripe on the top. This is a little snowman dish that I put some peppermints and a little red polka dot snowman dish. Here at the back corner of the table, I've tiered some peppermint cake stands to make sort of a carousel with the snowmen going around and some peppermint candles. And a snowman dish on top. There's another little snowman dish. And here's an adorable little teapot. We've got the snowman with his top hat that a little red bird is set on. And in front is a peppermint bowl. And I've got a pair of peppermint candlesticks. They're mercury glass with a red and white stripe, and I put peppermint candles with them as well. This is a peppermint pitcher. And I've sprinkled around candles. These have peppermints that are made into them, and then I've got the peppermint stripe candles. I've got a cute little cookie jar with his top hat and polka dot scarf. His little scarf inspired me to put the polka dot flatware with it as well. And he's sitting on a candy stripe cake stand. Here at the back, I've got a little ribbon candle holder with some candy stripe candles. And as you can see, guys, I've set out my little chef's tree here in the background. This is just a small little tree that I fixed a few years ago. I made a little chef's hat myself to go on top, and I've got gingerbread and peppermint ribbon, and there's a little chef Santa, and there are various cooking utensils, little miniature whisk and rolling pins, and there's fruit and vegetable ornaments, and it's in a red urn. And I've just got a couple cute little peppermint cups here and a ginger baby underneath. I've also put a little decoration on the light fixture. I've got some cute little snowmen with their earmuffs. Whoops. And I've put a red bow with the snowflakes up on the chandelier too. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave me a comment below. Give this video a thumbs up and share it with a friend. Be sure and subscribe to my channel, Decorating Happily Ever After, and turn on the notifications bell so you never miss a video. I'm Jeffrey Kevin, wishing you a Merry Christmas. Bye-bye now.